Remineralizing toothpaste for toddlers. Kids suffering from tooth decay and cavities can benefit from remineralizing toothpaste. This type of toothpaste helps strengthen tooth enamel and may aid in the early stages of remineralization. Helps to strengthen and protect teeth. Children can develop cavities due to poor oral hygiene and frequent consumption of sugary foods. Cavities occur when bacteria break down sugars and produce acids that erode the enamel. A remineralizing toothpaste can help by strengthening enamel, reducing sensitivity to hot and cold, supporting overall oral health. Remineralization allows the dentition to get stronger. It also fights bacteria that cause decay, whiter and brighter tooth. Remineralizing toothpaste can help restore minerals to the enamel, improving its structure and appearance. While it may make teeth look healthier, it is not a substitute for professional whitening treatments. Non-toxic. Many remineralizing toothpastes are fluoride-based, but some parents prefer fluoride-free alternatives due to concerns about fluoride overconsumption in young children. Toddlers tend to use more paste than they require. This would be a big problem when using fluoride, as it is a neurotoxicant that can affect their brain. This isn't the case for remineralizing paste, as it mimics the body's familiar materials. This means it wouldn't cause any complications or adverse reactions. Improving gum health. Good oral hygiene, including proper brushing and flossing, helps maintain gum health. Some remineralizing toothpaste formulations may also contain ingredients beneficial for gum health, such as antibacterial agents. What you should look out for in a remineralizing toothpaste for kids. The most effective remineralizing toothpastes include sodium fluoride or stannous fluoride, proven to strengthen enamel and prevent cavities. Hydroxyapatite, a mineral similar to natural tooth enamel that may aid in remineralization. Calcium and phosphate compounds help restore lost minerals in teeth. How to make a natural remineralizing toothpaste for kids. Did you know that you can make your natural remineralizing toothpaste for kids? You just need to pick up the right ingredients. Ingredients: 5 parts of calcium carbonate. You can substitute this with eggshells as well. 2 parts of baking soda, about 5 parts of coconut oil, about 3 parts of xylitol powder. Note that this is optional but helps with the taste. Essential oils such as cinnamon, mint, or orange. Instructions. To prepare remineralizing toothpaste for kids, combine the dry ingredients. In a small bowl, mix calcium powder, baking soda, and xylitol. Stir well to combine evenly. Add coconut oil gradually. Slowly mix in coconut oil, adding a little at a time until you reach a smooth paste-like consistency. Incorporate essential oils. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oils, such as cinnamon, mint, or orange for flavor. Stir thoroughly to distribute the oils evenly. Store properly. Transfer the paste into a small, airtight container and store it in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. To maximize the shelf life of your homemade paste, use a clean spoon to scoop the solution onto your toothbrush. Do this instead of dipping your brush inside the solution. Professional advice. To support remineralization and overall oral health, experts recommend using a fluoride toothpaste appropriate for a child's age, encouraging a balanced diet rich in vitamins and low in sugary or acidic foods, ensuring children drink plenty of water to maintain saliva production, visiting a dentist regularly for checkups. Remineralizing toothpaste can help protect and strengthen enamel, reducing the risk of cavities in toddlers. Parents should choose ADA-approved toothpaste and maintain good oral hygiene habits to ensure their child's dental health. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.